can't see beyond. You know I never had the mind. You know I've been checking out all the time. They haven't sent you, but the devil I know. I don't really mind if you tell me I'm gone. I know I am. I know I'm gone.
Boy, I can't believe Nick didn't just fucking whip that thing around.
Never had the time. I never gave the service that your loving needs. Won't you turn around? I'm a rolling stone, back down the dirty road. I'm a rolling on home. I guess I am. And I believe you, honey. And I believe the sun while on the way from me. Won't you while on the way from me? While on. You know I can't see beyond. You know I never had the mind. You know I've been checking out all the time. They haven't sent you, but the devil I know. I don't really mind if you tell me how to roll. I'm a rolling home.
the best girl that I ever had. Said that's a girl that made me feel so sad.
You do need to take the trailer out. Please make your way to the exits. The Haag and Customs Auto Expo 2025 is now closed. For all entrants, thank you for all your efforts for putting everything together. For all trade stands, fantastic. And once again, a big thank you to all the sponsors. One further point, we're now also anybody in the halls, anybody who is now packing up with yellow vest. If you do not have a yellow vest, please see the Haag and Customs. That's it for me, ladies and gentlemen. You're done.
See you later. Eric's.